So with this, you can see this monster is finally going together. And these are the parts that's left over. If you like what you see, please stick around to the end. Look forward to seeing you there. Hi everyone, this is Mr. Fusion Designs and welcome to our channel. Today we are doing the build from Fanhome. It is the build the 1967 Eleanor, gone in 60 seconds, pack 30. So we are doing this in stages. We might as well just do it stage by stage. I was going to just finish the building the 4-post lift, but as we are here, there's not much left to do, so we might as well just finish it off as that. So this is issue 115, and that's what we need to do. So I'm gonna get the parts and put this together. These are the parts, and let's just cut this open and see exactly what is needed. So that is metal, and we have also this part. This does feel metal, and DS02 screws. So this should be fast stage. You can see 3 locating pins that go into these 3 holes, and it's as easy as this. Let's line that up. Get the screw that came in this pack. I did put a bit of oil. Get this in place. We need to do one more on the other side. So this is the first one. And that is the end of this issue. So let's move over to the next one. So that's how that looks. We have now issue 116. And this is the next one. So that's what it looks like when we have completed it. So let's get on with this one. These are the parts from our Eleanor. I'm not sure if this is available. I don't think it is. And from all the Mustangs, I think this one is more preferred that I like. I think it's really good. PS05 and PS02 screws. Let's move this out the way and get over the next part. Let's get this part here. So first we need this part, and then just flip this over, and with this part facing the opposite direction, just like that, this will just slot in. Sorry, this way around. Let's just get this correct in its position. There we go. But first, let's get our screws. So this will just line up. Like this. And get 2 PS05 screws just here. So this is the first one. Excellent. So that's now screwed in place. So let's just get this out the way. So we have these sections. This came in the pack, and with this cut out, as you can see, this will go around these two positions, so it could lie flat as just that. And we need DS02 screws. So there's a few of them, so I'll put one in. Let's choose here. This is the first one. So as soon as I get all these screws in, I'll be back with you. And that is the last one in. Believe me, with that screwdriver makes it a lot easier. So that's the end of this issue. Let's move over to the next one. This is issue 117. These are the parts. So that's all we need to do. Let's just make sure. Get these blocks in. And that should be the end result. So let's get this fitted. These are the parts in issue 117. Guess we could cut it this side now. Tip this out. A lot of it's metal, making sure nothing's there. A little bit dusty. It's been lying around for quite a while. So I think there should be one more part somewhere. Where did that go? See, it did drop. So there's this one too. Let's move these to the side. And first thing first, we need to clip in this. So we could go like that. And you can see two grooves that just slots in. Hopefully. Always have to give it a bit of a push. There we go. Then that over. Just here. We need some screws. So 2 PS05 screws. Just there. This is the first one. Is that PS? They seem quite short for that. And doesn't really want to... Oh, that's completely the wrong screw. I think that's it. I think the other one was broken. Let's try this. There we go. That was weird. Show you now, I've just seen. You can see there's nothing on there. There's no thread, nothing. It's like a blank screw. And that goes just here. Yeah, I thought so. Something was a bit weird. So that's how that looks. So let's get over the other part. Okay, we have these parts and we need to retrieve this part. It was, I believe, in the last one. And we need to get these two parts together. And with this part needs to screw onto here. So let's just line that up and get that screwed in place. There we go. And there is a pin there. So this is a PS05 screw. Excellent. So that's screwed in place. Just like that. Now we need to get like that direction. Let's get this spring. This needs to go here, just like this. And we need to hold it in place with this brace. So together, just get this. Oops. Hopefully, once I get it in, it won't fly everywhere. That does want to go everywhere. Making sure that springs this side too. Yep. And with that, we will need, let me just make sure, PS05 screws. So there's quite a few to put in. And let me just get them out the bag. You kind of need to hold that in so it doesn't spring out. So let's get this first one in. So just here, oh, it fell off the screw. So get one just in one position. Perfect. Get one the opposite side here. That way it will hold. Excellent. So that's holding in place. I'm going to get the rest of these screws in. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in total, there's 8 screws. So I'll be back to screw these all in. Excellent. So that's now screwed in place. Luckily, I had one more screw from the other issue. Because of that blank, it was a bit weird. So we need to just move this out the way and go here. So let's just move this like that. And with this needs to go in this direction. And make sure that it slots in. There we go. And we need 2 DS02 screws. So this will just go here. I did put a bit of oil. So that's one. Let's get one more. Perfect. So that's both of them now screwed in place. And eventually, I would think that this might go here, or maybe not. There could be some kind of other cover. Because I think, if I recall, no, there's like a locking. This probably will go on the post or something. So that is it for this issue. Let's move over to the next one. This is issue 118. That's what's coming in this kit. So another one of these, it seems. And that is it. So this is the rest of the magazine. Reviving the Spirit. Yes. Film location. This film was excellent. Wow, that's amazing. So, some more information about Mustangs. That will bring us to the end of this, and this is in the next one. So it's pretty straightforward. So let's get on with the last issue. So these are the parts in issue 118. Eventually we will get there. But I was going to do this everything today, but I thought let's just carry on with how we're doing it stage by stage. We might as well while we're here. And that is it. PSO2 screws again, and PSO5 screws. And that is dusty. Can't believe that it's been hidden in there for quite a while. Let's just move these to the side. And again, this slot this in. This is plastic. This is metal. So slot that in and then push and push. Turn this over. Popped out. We was doing so well. Make sure it's firmly pushed in. Press that down. Great. So let's just go a bit closer. 2 PS05 screws. Let's hope that should just screw in now. It seems to be. I didn't pay notice to the blank screw. That was my fault. And not my fault, actually. Fanhome or the former company who put this in, because this was not from Fanhome. This was actually from Eagle Moss. So that is now secured. So we need to now get actually nothing. So all these parts actually we don't put together. That is it. Wow. You would have thought to put these together, but actually no. You can see. That's it. 2 screws. And nothing else to do. Okay. And so far this. And I would think, I'm not sure, eventually, oh yes, this will slot in somehow, or maybe not these ones. This could be, because I think it's 2 levels. I could be mistaken. Let's just see. Oh, it can't be this way. Maybe this side. And I think it is this side, yep. So this will actually slot in like this, which is massive. There we go. And a bit worrying really to put a heavy vehicle onto that. It's a bit, I don't know about that. We will test it though, somehow. I'll make sure before I put anything on there that it will hold the weight. And with that, I would like to say thank you for joining. And if you could do us a massive favor, if you could hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, it will help us a lot. Look forward to seeing you all next time. That's goodbye for now.